Madeira, an enchanting island in the North Atlantic. Let me show you where you need to go.
Pensaba que contigo iba a envejecer, en otra vida, en otro mundo por hacer. Mientras solo queda irme un día y solamente verte en el atardecer. Si me van sola y triste no me hablan. Si me van sola y triste soy culpable. La vida es una fiesta que un día termina y fuiste tú mi baile inolvidable.
Hello! On today's episode, I'll show you some mesmerizing views of the PR1 hike. We sing, and I get quite excited. Here's a quick glimpse for you. This is stunning. Look at that! No? Yes. Very nice.
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
But it's because I cannot talk like you. Because you make it softer. Your R is not that. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Yes!
Wait. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Now, keep going.
red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Yeah.
Red lorry.
Yeah.
Ej. Stół z powyłamywanymi nogami.
Stół
Z powyłamywanymi nogami.
Stół z powyłamane.
No, powyłamywanymi nogami.
Say again.
Powyłamywanymi.
Bit by bit.
Stół
Stół
z
z
powyłamywanymi nogami.
poływamywanymi.
No, It's like a table with broken legs. Table is stool. Z is with. Powyłamywanymi is broken.
Just like say a bit like poływa.
Powyłamywanymi. No. Powyłamany.
Stół z powyłamywanymi nogami. Stół z
Szapowa. You speak Polish now.
Stół z powyłamywanymi nogami.
And how is the tree? Drzewo.
Drzewo.
Yes. Grass. Trawa.
How do you say I like trees?
I like or I love?
Either. I like trees.
Ja lubię drzewa.
Ja lubię drzewa.
Yes.
Ja lubię drzewa.
Just imagine you coming to Poland and saying
Ja
to the
lubię
random
drzewa.
person, ja lubię drzewa. Je kurwa wrogu.
And so it begins. Nice.
Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual.
Should I practice?
Sorry?
I said, should I practice?
No.
What do you know? Hey, come. Can't even see. Yeah, nice. Look at above the clouds. It's a nice spot for some sushi. Whoa, that looks cool. Of course.
Okay, let's try.
Let's go to the fall. We're going to the fall.
Is it cold? I just want to feel it.
Alright, go to the fall.
Are you going with me?
Oh, come with you. Sorry, what did you just do?
Sheep.
You just what?
Oops.
You just did it.
Be careful, please. I'm begging you.
Hallucinogenic.
Hallucinogenic mushrooms.
Yeah? Well, I'm gonna go for a pee.
Ooh, baby, I feel like music sounds better with you. Love nights bring us back together. Oh, baby, I feel like music sounds better.
Look at that. Blah blah blah. 2.8, 1.5 hours. Cool. Is that 1.5 hours there or both? Right, let's find out. So, the trail was closed from the other peak. So now we just drive around for an hour, and then you do a different hike to get to this peak. Lovely.
Thanks for skipping me.
Oh my god, oh, it smells incredible. Oh, yes. No. Yes. Very nice. Oh. Muy bien. Going over there. This stuff smells incredible. Right, this is stunning. Look at that! Nice spot. Nice spot for lunch. Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
What a view. Nice. Yep. Mate, nice. Look at that. Perfect. You see, just look. Perfect. Oh yeah.
Aún hay motivados viniendo para aquí.
Mate, I just look at that.